Okay. Which fruit you like to eat? Through the chat box, you can reply me. Which fruits you like to eat? Okay, most of the students are saying mango. They like to eat mango. Which season you get the mango? Which season you get the mango? No, I'm not telling about the month. I'm telling about the season. Okay, mostly mango you will get in a summer season. All right. Why we eat the fruits? What is the reason to eat the fruits? Okay, because you like the watermelon taste. Okay, Tanisha, I like the watermelon taste. Okay, or else Prathamesh, okay, to get the vitamins. Okay, while eat the fruits, you get the vitamins. Okay, energy, proteins, vitamins, calcium. Okay, good students. So you know the importance of the fruits. So here today's our new poem, that is the strawberry. That is the strawberry. Once I will recite the whole poem and then after I will explain you its stanza. What is given in the poem? The strawberry that in garden grows are plump and juicy. Strawberries that in garden grows are plump and juicy fine, but sweeter far as wise men know, spring from the woodland vine. No need for bowl or silver spoon, sugar or spice or cream, has the wild berry plucked in June beside the twinkling streams. So here, students, in this poem, what is given? Let's see the first stanza. Strawberries. Strawberries is a fruit, a sweet taste food that is grow in garden are plump and juicy fine. Plump, that means big and fat. This big and fat and too much juicy, but sweeter far as wise men know. But it is sweeter as but it is sweeter, which is grow in a woodland vine, which is grow in a woodland vine. In a springtime, it is grow in a woodland vine. Wise men know. Wise men, that means intelligent person know that the strawberry whose grow in the garden, they are sweeter. But the strawberry which has grow in a woodland vine, which is grow in a woodland vine, that is much sweeter. That is much sweeter. Vine. Vine, that means climbing or trailing plant. Climbing or trailing plant, that is a vine, a woodland vine. Okay. Let me read this sentence line again for you. But sweeter far as wise men know, spring from the woodland vine. Spring from the woodland vine. So that means there are the two different places where the strawberries are grow. Okay, once it is grow in a garden and second one it is grow in a woodland vine. And the wise man, that means the intelligent person know that the woodland vine strawberries are sweeter, are more sweeter. Second stanza. No need for bowl or silver spoon, sugar or spices or cream. That means if you want to be eat, if you want to be eat, no need of bowl or silver spoons. No need of bowl or silver spoons. Okay, no sugar, no spices. Spices means a part of the plant or a powder made from the part which you put in food to give it a flavor. Such kinds of spices you will add in the food to give a nice flavor. But we don't need the spices to add in a strawberry because strawberry have their own good taste and no need of cream also. Has the wild has the wild berry plucked in June beside the trickling streams. Beside the trickling streams.